cook, let me cook, let me cook.
Oh, let me cook. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lana Cherie. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell because you won't want to miss when your girl posts. Today. Okay, so let me really tell you how it goes. So the other day I heard my son telling his grandmother that he know how to make pancakes and bacon. But if I ain't show you how to make pancake and bacon, how you know how to make pancake and bacon? So we gonna put his words to the test and see if he really know how to make pancake and bacon, or if he was just capping.
And you just yapping.
Cause you know, cause one thing you know, man love to cap. So
and you know, women like to yap.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see the vibes, okay? And we're gonna do it all
Yap.
on this Black & Decker grill. I don't know if you call this a grill or it's an electric griddle. We're gonna do it all on this electric griddle. I got it from Target for less than $30. It was like 20 something dollars. So if you're ever looking for one of these, Target, what is it? Target. You could back up. Target.
So guys, I'm a ninja, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. Okay, never mind.
The grill. Okay, so we have the grill ready, ready for him to do what he needs to do. And then I'm gonna give him a bowl and a spoon so that he could kind of like mix the pancake. But I am not going to be helping because he said that he knows how to make pancake and bacon. So we're gonna really see if these pancakes are gonna be nasty or if he know what he's doing. I just heard so that he don't burn down the kitchen, so that he don't burn down the house.
So guys, this is supervised by a parent. Do not think I'm trying to burn down the house, but hope you guys have an entertaining video and put some ideas that we should do in the comments. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to, comment. First, we're gonna
Hold on, cause who and you? This is gonna be the open from so.
oh.
Yeah, so that we ain't messing up the things.
So we're gonna pull this in. It has some flour, but just gonna pattern it down just to make it the easier way. Maybe put some more flour.
Okay, I'm gonna just assist a little bit because I don't know if he think he making pancake just for him alone.
They didn't know that she was hungry too, but
You know, I was calling me big bag.
I proved my point by calling her big bag. Now we're just gonna.
Azir, you don't know how to make pancake, do you?
I do.
Okay.
Then we have to stir.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to step in a little, just a little, because as I say, I am not making a pancake. I can help you with the batter. Because first of all, you're throwing too much water.
I thought you wanted some too.
I do, but the pancake can't be watery. You got a lot of clumps in it, so I'm trying to take out the clumps first before I decide how much more pancake mix need to go in here, because or maybe it might not be bad.
Let me stir.
No, because you ain't getting all this stuff down to the bottom. We ain't be eating lumpy pancake. I should have just let you make your own pancake and then I make mine. What's the next step?
Refrigerated?
Refrigerated?
Put on the stove.
Why would we refrigerate it?
Put on the stove.
Why would we refrigerate the pancake? Why would we refrigerate the pancake?
Well, sometimes pancakes are cold, so why wouldn't we just...
Sometimes pancake cold.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the pan now. We have the pan.
Yeah, then you need to put the pan down. That's what I said. You really want to get burned. I just spray it down, right? Yeah, I know how to. I know how to put it down.
Do you think you need a little bit more?
Yeah.
It smells buttery, boy. Okay.
We got some butter pancakes today.
What do you need to when you turn in the pancake though?
We need a spatula.
Okay. In the thing.
Oh, my trusty best friend that I used to flip pancakes with. I used to do with burgers, the meat.
Hold on, so you could cook burgers?
Yes!
Guys, he said he could cook burgers now.
Yes, I do. I cook it with Uncle and I know how to cook.
But guess what? Burgers is the next thing because how he say he know how to cook all these things. Go ahead.
I know how to cook.
Let's see. Go ahead. You go ahead. Do the pancake. Take your time now. This thing hot. Okay.
And we also do have water and an extinguisher just in case of emergencies happen.
Just in case you burn down the house.
No, just in case you don't help me correctly.
Let us see you flip the pancake. That one ready?
No.
You could flip and then flip back over here now. You're moving. Hey, don't do that! Okay, I'm gonna flip one and show you. Do you know how to flip?
Yes.
Okay, since you know how to flip, go ahead.
I need to get in perfect angle. It's too close to each other. It might fall on top of it.
Okay, well, since they're too close to each other and that's your reason. Hey, as in, what are you doing right now?
It's too close.
First of all, the spatula have to get a good way under the pancake before you go flip it as a.
I haven't done this in a long time, so.
Oh, okay. Good job! Good job! Yeah, it hot. Then we gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Wait, what are you doing?
What are you doing? You don't know how to do it. Gotta pat it down, make sure we get on that.
Look how good these pancakes look. Look how good these pancakes look. Okay.
All by myself.
Look how good these pancakes look.
Look how good these pancakes look. Look how good these pancakes look. Look how good these pancakes look. Look how good these pancakes look.
So I think that you should have been cooking the bacon too.
Yeah, we're just gonna do bacon in a second.
Okay.
Let's check on the. Jeez, bro, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
I'm cooking, not you.
Okay, sorry.
Guys, I'm the best cooker you ever seen as a 10-year-old cooking on a stove. Like, I'm built like that.
As I made 3 pancakes, I'm very proud of him. You know that bacon is $11 in the friggin' supermarket? Like, $11. Like, I went and I looked and I saw, okay, it had some for like $7, nearly $8, and then up to $11.21 for bacon. And of course, the best kind, I like the maple. I don't know if you could see that. But the best kind is $11.21. Like, why is bacon so expensive? I feel like you telling me that bacon by itself is a meal, cause $11.21, that's a lot.
What are you looking at me for?
That's a lot. So anyway, to save the bacon or to have as much as possible, I just cut the bacon down in half. Because $11.21, that's too much money for me to be using long strips and not, you know, savoring every bite of my bacon.
You don't save no bite for bacon.
Listen, let's turn it out the bacon as it. So you're capped then, because you ain't know how to fry the bacon.
I do, but you said that we were doing pancakes, not bacon.
Oh. I tried to your pancake and bacon.
Oh.
So So guys, you know that this little boy, because he get his pancake now, he gonna leave me in the kitchen. Like, I don't understand. Like, I didn't say if mom cook food. I say, can you cook food? Say, oh, I didn't tell him that he cooking, that we will make him oh, the food still here. I thought you went to eat it. But he did leave me in the kitchen though.
Why would I eat my food without you? That's mine.
What's yours?
It's not fair. You have more bigger pancakes than me. It's not fair.
These things taking long. So guess what? Okay, so I couldn't take anymore. So because that thing taking forever. So instead I put the bacon into a frying pan and I can speed it up really fast because I am hungry. And the little chef boy Adi leave me in the kitchen. He did, I will say he did well. He did really well when it came to the pancake.
I don't know how to cook on that.
Oh, so he blaming it on the grill, that he don't know how to cook on the grill.
No, I don't know how to cook on this.
On the stove? I'd rather like you putting the bacon in this on the frying pan to cook the bacon faster, because this grill thing taking forever. I don't have time for chili bacon to cook so long. While my pancake getting cold? No. You gonna put any syrup on anything on your pancake?
Yep.
Okay, so he's gonna show you guys what he's gonna put on his pancake. I big back, so I already started eating mine.
Huh?
Is it good? Not syrup, chocolate. He putting chocolate on his. So again, I am Lana Cherie. Go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell because you won't want to miss when your girl posts. Bye!